Hey, Dave Knight here on YouTube only right now. Future, probably Dave Knight Trading will be what the website will be called in the future. Anyway, long story short, hey, who gives a shit what anything's going on if you're not doing anything? Um, so I was on vacation.
Potential effects on RVY.
I didn't expect to make it on day 7, but I did pass the EA today on day 7. My last trading day before this was July 13th, and today is July 26th. And I was able to get 96 ticks, roughly, is how
Trapped
I look at
orders
it.
with exhaustion box on
Trading
RVY.
to, I'm above the 53,000 mark again. There's your auto liquidate peak balance, account balance above 53,000. That puts me back in the PA. I believe it'll be PA number 9. Double check that. I think the PA 8 was the last one I failed. PA 8.
Potential effects on MQ. Trapped orders
Wrote
with
I need a
exhaustion
break.
box
I
on
did take a
MQ.
break. And this EA itself started on July 6th. So I traded July 6th, 7th, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 26. So,
Potential effects on MQ.
but we did pass. And I'm getting ready to move to the PA again. And by the way, this will be the let's see here. PA 9 had 3 of all last year, so this is my 6th PA of 2023, and I'd like to make it my last for a while and be able to withdraw. The overall goal is to I might settle at 54,000 and take 500 out. That'll give me 53.5, and then go for 56. I haven't really made up my mind
Potential elevator on
how I'm
RVY.
going to attack it. First things first is I got to get myself to the point where I'm able to withdraw. Now, one of the PAs, I forget which one it was, actually got above 53,000. I was at almost, um, that was the one that I was so close to withdrawing, I got it up to 54 something. So I had a
Potential
4,000
elevator on ES.
profit on that PA, and then I ended up the next trading session. Um, well, it was just ugly. I let myself
Potential effects on
go
ES.
way out of
Potential
control.
double effects on ES.
Anyway, don't really want to deal with that anymore. So did some soul searching. Got well, like I said, I didn't expect to pass the EA today. I was at 50. Came in today at 52,305. My morning
Potential
session.
elevator on RVY.
My morning session got me to 52,533 on short trades, and my afternoon session got me to 53,102 on long setup. So the short setup, is this 5-minute chart? Yeah, all right. So my short setup that I got the
Potential effects on
money
RVY.
on today, I kind of got banged around in here just a
Trapped
little
orders
bit,
with exhaustion
and I
box
caught
on
some of that
RVY.
move right
Elevator
there
on RVY.
to get me
Potential
to
effects on MQ.
52.5. That got me to 52.5 on that move, and then I didn't trade this short.
Potential effects on MQ.
Kind of waited for this to form. This bar right here, a doji pretty much, and I took that trade right in there. So I waited for it to settle down on the down, and I did end up taking a long signal in there. It was a ODD signal. If you look at Apex
Potential effects
Investing,
on NQ.
oscillator divergent, directional divergence, or whatever they call it, divergence detector, I think. Anyway, ODD is the symbol of that, and then we see this little thing right there.
Potential effects on NQ.
It's just a matter of finding a right trade setup
Trapped
and taking
orders with
advantage of it.
exhaustion box on NQ. Potential effects on NQ. Trapped orders with exhaustion box on NQ.
Wow, lady, the computerized voice is going nuts today. All right, so I was scared to take a short once we busted through this level here. There was a level at 620, roughly in that area, that I thought about taking a short, but we had already looked like it was, at this point, was just going to settle around here and shoot back up. So I did not take anything in this whole move. But I did wait for this to confirm over here. And then I took that move going back the other way. So I was more comfortable being on the long side in the afternoon than taking that beautiful short setup. I guess you could say there was a long setup here, but I didn't catch that either. That just broke through. I was looking at this, but I wasn't starting trading until about 2:30. So I missed this move here. But I did end up catching this. So I was looking at the 2:30 to 3:30 window today on the afternoon session. And I ended up missing, like I said, missing this move. Well, let's get too many lines now. So I ended up missing this move, which, this one, I really did expect the market to bottom out around this level and go back up, attempt. We did make 16,000 on the NASDAQ, and I'll show you some of the charts here in a minute so you understand what's going on. But I did like this setup here. It based in this area, and it had a nice little setup off of this doji bar, as I considered this a doji, and I took that setup going that way. And that won my EA, by the way, EA 69. So he said 69. She said, that's what she said, 69. So EA 69 passes, and I'll be going to, once I pay for the PA, I plan on holding on to this PA this time. PA 9. It's time. It's time to shit or get off the pot, pretty much, in my humble opinion. Okay, so let's go top
Potential
down.
effects on NQ.
Look at the days. So here's the day chart. You can see that we're kind of meandering our way up. Going back and looking at that June. So June, July, settling here. But you can definitely tell that the summer months have been favorable in an uptrend on a daily chart. Let's move this back to 5 minute. Okay, here's our hourly chart.
Trapped orders with exhaustion box on
Not much help on the hourly, but your 4-hour chart was showing that here's where we went up over 16,000 on the 19th. You can see that it had moved from being hitting the 16,000 on 2 days, I believe. It hit July 18th and July 19th, and then it has been, since July 20th, we have been below 16,000 again. That's where we're at. But for 2 days, the NASDAQ had had broke through on the futures contract, had broke through the 16,000 level. Um, so um, July 18th and also July 19th. You can see that being reflected in the charts. All right. Well, I really don't. I'm pretty much still in vacation mode. Today was my first day back from
Potential
being on
TBS on
vacation.
ES.
I'm fortunate to be able to say I'm moving on to the PA. It'll be PA number 9. Let's make it the last one for a while and withdraw some money. Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading, exclusively on YouTube now. Talk to you later. Bye for now.